WT0388, Kathleen Baloyot, 25 years old, single, college level, 3 years DH in Hong Kong. Please tell me something about yourself.
Good afternoon, I'm Kathleen Baloyot from Bungabong, Nueva Ecija. I'm 23 years old. My father's name is Mr. Hipólito Baloyot and my mother's name is Wilma Baloyot. I have a 4 sister and 1 brother that living to Bungabong, Nueva Ecija.
So please tell me something about your work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong.
My work experience as domestic is very much good and enjoying.
How long did you work in Hong Kong?
3 years.
Is that finished contract?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, some of Chinese food, not much.
What are those?
Steamed fish, choy sam blanch, corn soup, like some vegetable they fry.
So what are your hobbies?
Reading the Bible while rest, music, guitar, and I like very much cook.
So are you willing to take care of the newborn baby?
Yes,
How about elderly?
yes,
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
yes.
So what are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, you need to wash the bottle and steam them and clean, and then you need to put some milk appropriate tell the employer.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
Carrying the baby and sing a song.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
I call my employer, then I ask them. The baby have a fever, then I ask them also what I will do.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Please sing one song.
One little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boy.
Okay, thank you. So do you have any other talents?
Gardening, designing some accessories, and singing.
So if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I call my mom once, then after my homesick gone, I sing it.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract and what will you do?
No.
So what will you do?
I give some money to go to the doctor, because if I am going back to the Philippines, much no things to do.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want more experience and I need to earn money for my family.
How long can you work in Hong Kong?
3 years.
Can you finish 2 years contract?
Yes.
Okay, so give a message to your soon-to-be employer. What are your messages to your soon-to-be employer?
Cholsan. I'm Kathleen Baloyot, and if I'm your maid, I'm the one to give my best. Wow.
Okay, thank you, Kathleen Baloyot, and good luck to you.